Hey guys, good morning. This is Ayodele Fortune. This today, the Fortune landscapers. We plant flowers. Like I always say, we plant flowers to imitate natural scenery. Early this morning, when the cloud is blue and it's still very early in the day, we go out to come around to check our flowers. Plant trees, they're like living things. You need to nurture them, you need to visit them, you need to touch them. In fact, I pray for my plants. You see, I touch them, I caress them at some point. I remember when I planted these little kids. Now they are looking so beautiful, lush and fantastic looking trees in a stretch, in Christ Embassy headquarters in Ikeja. I remember, special thanks to Esteemed Deacon Armstrong for giving the Fortune the opportunity to do this when we did. They were just looking little baby. But you see, few years of feeding, nourishing, watering every day. See the stretch of beautiful boulevard we have created with Christmas tree, yeah, at the heart of Ikeja at Christ Embassy. So, like, we take care of this plant and you see the result like this. That's the same way we take care of our body and you see improvement in your body. So, you have to nurture plants, you have to raise them, you have to feed them, you have to water them, you manure them, you put hormones, you put chemicals, you raise them. Then you see the beauty. The harvest you get from ornamentals is the beauty you see. The beauty you see, that's your harvest. Unlike when you plant corn, you plant cassava, maize, the harvest you get is the food, right? But when it comes to ornamentals, the harvest you get is the beauty. You see a beautiful garden and you're like, whoo. Especially early in the morning like this, you see a beautiful garden and you feel just like taking a cool walk. Early in the morning, you just a little bit around somewhere before 7 a.m. I've been here since about 6 a.m. These are to get some fresh oxygen. That is what it is to plant green around your environment, around your home. So, working on this now for some years now, it's been an amazing experience, amazing journey. Every day we resume here 6 days a week. Our guys are here trimming, watering, maintaining, and including many other sites. And we also have such plans, Everything we do at the Fortune, we do it so well. Excellent with details. We improve every day. And be the best. We keep it the best. We put our hands on it in the dirt. We water them, we manure them, we treat them. And you can see the beauty. This is yellow ficus. The beauty, the array, the arrangement. Can you see those lily there? I remember when we created this roundabout here, we planted this lily. Oh, thanks. Once again, shout out to Esteemed Deacon Armstrong. I'm grateful for the opportunity. So at the Fortune Landscapers, we keep doing our best to get a beautiful ambience for everyone. We use flowers, shrubs, trees to create wonders. Call us and we're going to do you wonder to make your environment a wonder place. Stay healthy. It's the Fortune Landscapers. I love you.